How's it going, guys? Mike from OP Rec here, and I have an interesting news story to talk to you guys about today. And that is the pictures taken by the Mars rover that appear to show some sort of light, as if an alien lit a fire or something of that nature. So I'm going to show these images on screen here, and you can judge for yourself. I mean, it doesn't look natural to me. These images, they weren't photoshopped or anything like that. They were straight from NASA. Now, this is the statement that they released. Okay, I'll have my source linked in the description, as always with news articles. But I'll just read off the statement that they stated. And I quote, "Bright spots appear in single images taken by the navigation camera on NASA's Curiosity Mars rover on April 2nd and April 3rd. Each is in an image taken by this stereo camera's right eye camera, but not in images taken within a second of each of those by the left eye camera. In the two right eye images, the spot is in different locations of the image frame and, in both cases, at the ground surface level in front of the crater rim on the horizon. One possibility is that the light is the glint from a rock surface reflecting the sun. When these images were taken each day, the sun was in the same direction as the bright spot, west-northwest from the rover and relatively low in the sky. The rover science team is also looking at the possibility that the bright spots could be sunlight reaching the camera's CCD directly through a vent hole in the camera housing, which has happened previously on other cameras on Curiosity and other Mars rovers when the geometry of the incoming sunlight relative to the camera is precisely aligned. We think it's either a vent hole leak or a glinty rock." So there you heard it. It's a pretty long statement, but that's all that NASA had to say. They basically said that that bright spot that you see, I'm going to flash the image again on screen right here. They say that, yeah, all it is just a rock that is reflecting the sunlight or something, or a sunlight that's sort of reflected through the camera. Now, in my personal opinion, I don't think it's either of these. I think it's a completely unexplained thing that they had to try to explain to the public, right? It's so... I highly doubt that is just a rock reflecting a surface. I don't think it would be that bright and that sharp. These images were taken 2 days, right? There's the same... It's not the same image twice in 2 days. This bright spot has appeared in images taken by Curiosity. So I'd like to hear what your opinions are on this. Do you think that there's some huge conspiracy and that there's Martians shining a magnifying glass at a rock or something like that? Or do you just think that NASA's right and it's a pretty big coincidence? Either way, I'd love to hear your opinions in the comment section below. My source will be linked in the description, as well as my other channel, Upset Barrel. You guys should definitely check that channel out. There's going to be a ton of really great videos on that channel, so it'd be great if you guys could go and subscribe there. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.